have a ton of garland. I'm that kind of person that changes my Christmas theme almost every year, so I have different color garland. But instead of having it just a seasonal thing, you can have this sucker around all year round. Bye. Give me a G, give me an A, give me an R, L-A-N-D. What's that spell? Garland. We're gonna use garland to make some really cool pom-poms. This is all you need to make some pretty awesome pom-poms using garland. Garland, shower curtain. You can also use a tablecloth, masking tape, electric tape, and then a jump rope. All of these things I got at Dollar Tree. Let's get creating. First, take the shower curtain, unfold it, then refold it. You're going to fold it 4 times to make a square. Then with the square created, go back and cut along the folding lines to make each piece single. I went back to double check to make sure they're all singled out. After folding and cutting, you should have 16 squares. Now you're going to take 2 of these squares at a time. 1, 2. Then you're going to take the garland and put some down the same length of the squares. And you're going to make garland strips. So you're going to take some garland the same length of the squares, cut it, take some more garland about the same length of the squares. And if they're not perfectly even, it's not that big of a deal. We're making pom-poms. No need to stress. And then spacing it out, I just have the width of the garland is the spacers. And then you're going to keep doing this until it's completely full. And then you're going to take 2 more, put it on top, 2 more, put it on top. Repeat the process. I used the masking tape. I put it down the middle, the same length of the jump rope. Then you're going to start using your scissors and cutting the shower curtain the same girth of the garland. You don't really want to cut the garland. You want to go in there and then cut the shower curtain to match the length of the garland, the same width. So this one's here. And you're just cutting up into the masking tape. And continuing and continuing. This is definitely a trust the process type of look. The next step is to take your jump rope, cut off so you have the handle. You're going to put the handle on the edge and then press really, really hard down and roll. I took the electric tape and then just went around once on the middle. This is going to create a spot to put your hand when you're using the pom-pom. Right now the pom-pom's a little flat, so we have to take these individual pieces and just kind of move it around, twist it around. So you're taking your piece of shower curtain and you're taking 2 at a time, one going this way, bringing it down, other one going the opposite direction. This one going this way, this one's going up. And this is just creating volume. So you're flipping, turning it around, you know, Missy Elliott. And this is how you create volume for your pom-pom. Now the pom-pom's been plumped up, Missy Elliott, It has the volume of a pom-pom, and it's a pom-pom. And the garland just gives a little bit of a dash to it. You can also use different colors for your shower curtain or tablecloth. I just like the white look. And then pom-poms are fun for kids, and Valentine's Day is coming up, so they're fun for adults too. Now on to the next segment.